everyone. Welcome to Better Homes Designs, where we explore innovative and practical solutions for modern living. Today, we're delving into a fascinating architectural trend that's rapidly gaining traction: modern container home designs. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow and subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Modern container home designs. These structures represent a paradigm shift in residential construction, offering a unique blend of sustainability, efficiency, and contemporary aesthetics. Let's begin by defining what we mean by modern container home designs. At its core, a modern container home is a residential dwelling constructed primarily from repurposed shipping containers. These robust steel boxes, originally designed for intermodal freight transport, are ingeniously transformed into habitable spaces. The modern aspect refers to the architectural and interior design approach applied to these structures. It signifies a focus on clean lines, open plan layouts, abundant natural light, and the integration of smart technologies and sustainable features. It's about moving beyond a utilitarian origin of the container and elevating it to a sophisticated, functional, and aesthetically pleasing home. This often involves strategic cuts for windows and doors, sophisticated insulation systems, and contemporary finishes that create a comfortable and stylish living environment. It's a deliberate choice to embrace the industrial aesthetic while refining it for residential comfort and modern living. Now, let's discuss the compelling benefits that drive individuals to choose modern container home designs. The advantages are numerous and extend beyond mere novelty. Firstly, sustainability is a primary driver. By repurposing used shipping containers, we actively participate in recycling and reduce the demand for new construction materials, thereby minimizing waste and carbon footprint. This aligns with a growing global emphasis on environmentally conscious living. Secondly, affordability often plays a significant role. Compared to traditional stick-built homes, the structural shell of a container home is prefabricated, which can significantly reduce construction time and labor costs, while custom modifications and high-end finishes can impact the overall price. The initial investment for the core structure is typically lower. Thirdly, speed of construction is a remarkable advantage. Since the primary structural elements are already manufactured, the on-site build time is considerably compressed. This means you can move into your new home much faster than with conventional construction methods, often within a matter of months rather than a year or more. Fourthly, durability and resilience are inherent to shipping containers. Designed to withstand harsh ocean conditions and heavy loads, these steel structures are incredibly robust, offering excellent resistance to extreme weather, seismic activity, and pests. This provides a strong and secure living environment. Finally, design flexibility and modularity are key. Shipping containers come in standardized sizes, making them inherently modular. Multiple containers can be combined, stacked, or arranged in various configurations to create diverse layouts, from compact studios to spacious multi-story residences. This allows for extensive customization to suit individual needs, preferences, and site constraints. The potential for expansion in the future by adding more modules is also a significant draw. Moving to the exterior, how do you decorate your modern container home to achieve an appealing and sophisticated aesthetic? The corrugated steel exterior, while inherently industrial, can be transformed to blend seamlessly with its surroundings or stand out as a striking architectural statement. One of the most effective methods is cladding. Applying exterior materials like timber, brick slips, fiber cement panels, or even metal siding can completely disguise the original container form and create a more conventional or contemporary look. Timber cladding, for instance, offers a natural, warm aesthetic that can soften the industrial edges, while brushed steel or composite cladding can enhance the modern, sleek appeal. Strategic paint schemes are also crucial. While simply painting the corrugated metal is an option, consider durable, weather-resistant paints in modern color palettes. Darker shades like charcoal or black can provide a sophisticated, minimalist look, while lighter tones can help the home blend into a natural landscape. Two-tone or contrasting color schemes can also highlight architectural features. Furthermore, incorporating architectural extensions can significantly elevate the exterior. Adding elements like pergolas, cantilevered sections, balconies, decks, or even a covered porch can break up the monolithic container form and add visual interest and functional outdoor living space. These additions provide opportunities for material contrast and architectural detailing. Finally, thoughtful landscaping plays a vital role. Integrating the container home with its environment through well-designed gardens, pathways, and outdoor lighting can soften the industrial edges and create a harmonious setting. Consider native plants, vertical gardens, or even a green roof to enhance sustainability and visual appeal. Large windows and strategically placed openings that connect to outdoor spaces also contribute to the overall aesthetic and livability. What is the best size for modern container home designs? Determining the best size for a modern container home designs is highly subjective and depends entirely on your individual needs, budget, and intended use. There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, but we can explore common configurations. The most prevalent shipping container sizes used for residential conversions are the 20-foot and 40-foot units. A standard 20-foot container typically offers around 160 square feet of interior space, while a 40-foot container provides approximately 320 square feet. These dimensions are suitable for compact living, such as a tiny home, guest house, or an individual's dwelling. For more spacious living, combining multiple containers is a standard approach. A two-bedroom home, for example, might utilize two 40-foot containers placed side by side or in an L shape, offering a more expansive living area. Stacked containers create multi-story dwellings, ideal for maximizing space on smaller footprints. High-Q containers, which are 9 feet 6 inches tall rather than the standard 8 feet 6 inches, offer an additional foot of vertical space, significantly enhancing the feeling of openness and allowing for more flexible interior layouts, including raised ceilings or loft areas. Ultimately, the best size is the one that comfortably accommodates your lifestyle, allows for efficient use of space, and aligns with your financial capabilities. It's crucial to consider not just the internal square footage, but also the functional zones you require, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, living areas, and any dedicated workspaces. To inspire your own container home journey, here are 10 exceptional modern container home design ideas, showcasing the incredible versatility and aesthetic potential of these structures. 1. The cantilevered masterpiece. This design features one or more containers extending beyond the main footprint, creating dramatic overhangs. This not only adds a striking architectural element, but also provides sheltered outdoor spaces below. Imagine a bedroom module cantilevered over a natural landscape, offering panoramic views. 2. The stacked and shifted residence. Multiple containers are stacked vertically but offset from each other, creating dynamic forms and opportunities for rooftop terraces on the lower container's roof. This design maximizes vertical space and offers varied outdoor access. 3. The courtyard oasis. Containers are arranged around a central open-air courtyard, creating a private and secluded outdoor living space. This design is excellent for maximizing natural light and ventilation while offering a sense of connection to nature within a defined footprint. 4. The glass-fronted retreat. Maximizing the use of large, floor-to-ceiling glass panels on one or more sides of the container. This design blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living, inviting natural light and offering expansive views, often in scenic locations. 5. The industrial chic urban dwelling. Embracing the raw, industrial aesthetic of containers with exposed steel, concrete floors, and minimalist interior finishes. This design often features large windows and metal accents, perfect for an urban setting. 6. The off-grid eco-home. Designed with complete self-sufficiency in mind, incorporating solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and composting toilets. The design often integrates with the natural landscape and prioritizes energy efficiency. 7. The modular family compound. Several containers are interconnected to form a larger family home, allowing for separate zones for bedrooms, living areas, and even a dedicated workspace. This offers flexibility for growing families. 8. The rustic modern blend. Combining the industrial nature of the containers with warm, natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and earthy tones. This creates a cozy yet contemporary feel, often seen in rural or semi-rural settings. 9. The compact studio with deck. A single 20-foot or 40-foot container transformed into an efficient studio apartment, often featuring a spacious outdoor deck that extends a living area, ideal for minimalist living or as a vacation rental. 10. The multi-level architectural statement. Integrating multiple containers to create a complex, multi-story structure with varying heights and volumes. This allows for dramatic architectural forms and diverse internal spaces, often incorporating unique staircases and viewpoints. Modern container home designs are far more than just a passing trend. They represent a viable and exciting future for residential architecture. They offer a compelling combination of affordability, speed of construction, durability, and most importantly, incredible design potential for those seeking a unique and sustainable living solution. The ingenuity and creativity applied to these structures are truly inspiring, proving that limitation can indeed breed innovation. If you're considering a more sustainable, efficient, and uniquely designed home, perhaps a modern container home is the answer. We encourage you to research further, consult with architects and builders specializing in container construction, and explore the vast possibilities these remarkable structures offer. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Better Homes Design for more insightful content on innovative living spaces. And share your thoughts on modern container homes in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas.